So, good evening, and as Chair of the Justice Committee, I am looking forward to taking the Harmful Offences and Related Matters Bill in before us next Tuesday, 1st of December. The laws and our statute books are way out of date for the internet age. Society and technology have progressed so far in the last 20, 30 years since the law was last updated in this area. We saw last week very concerning reports of image-based abuse, many of which included breaches of trust, both by former partners and people in authority, which I think makes those offences even more heinous. We've also had harassment, stalking, I suppose online abuse in various forms, much of which the law says at the moment can't be prosecuted, can't be followed because the law has fallen behind. We need strict powers. We need the Gardaí to have powers. We need the Director of Public Prosecution to have powers. But also we need to put the pressure on the social media companies to take down this kind of content, to have the wherewithal that a complaint can be made and a takedown measure can be implemented immediately for the safety, protection, security and sensitivity of all involved. It's not good enough in 2020 that these kind of activities can go on, be it that harassment, be it that image-based abuse, be it stalking, be it all the above, and no consequence. It's just not good enough. I made a submission on this to the Law Reform Commission in 2015. As a TD in the last Dáil, I introduced legislation in this area, and now as Chair of the Justice Committee in 2020, I'm really determined that we push this forward, criminalise these kind of behaviours, and put a stop to these kind of abuses. Thank you.